Rarely offered, a beautiful spacious 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom condo with 1,450 square feet of living space. Unit 621 features spectacular views of the ocean and beach with a southern exposure, a large open floor plan creating a great room, beautiful kitchen, 4 balconies with true ocean views, and a large master bedroom with bath ensuite that is perfect for someone with disabilities. The Henlopen condominiums offer security-controlled access, indoor parking, secured entrance to the beach with outdoor showers, elevators, a beautiful rooftop sun deck and pool offering spectacular views of the ocean and the Delaware coastline. Call for an appointment today.